We check in now on the latest cattle market news with our market update, brought to you by CattleFax.
Hello, I'm Ethan Oberst of the CattleFax update. With record high cattle prices and a strong U.S. dollar, it doesn't come as a surprise that live imports are higher this year than they have been in recent years. Canadian feeder cattle have led the way as U.S. cattle feeders look to add inventory. Canadian feeder cattle imports are 39% above year-ago levels. Mexican feeder cattle are 15% above year-ago levels. Canadian cow and bull imports are 4% below year-ago levels, but are 45% above the 5-year average. The drastic increase in Canadian feeder cattle imports can be contributed to the strong U.S. dollar as well as tight supplies and record prices and profit in the U.S. Record profits in the feedlot segment in the United States has caused demand for feeder animals to increase dramatically as many feedlots look to fill empty pens. The northern feed yards have had an advantage due to reduced freight as well as cheaper corn, allowing them to take advantage of the strong U.S. dollar. That advantage has been reflected in the huge year-over-year increases in import numbers from our northern neighbors. The increase in imports has been very supportive to Canadian prices as calves and feeder cattle are trading near the long-term basis of about $8 to $10 under average U.S. prices. Southern yards that are looking to add inventory out of Mexico have not had the same advantage. Mexico, like most of the southern U.S., has experienced severe drought and tight cattle numbers over the last several years. The limited supply and higher prices has been reflected in the number of imports as Mexican feeder cattle imports have been below the 5-year average for most of the year. Cow and bull imports are elevated due to increased demand for lean product as 90s lean trim stays near record price levels. Look for that trend to continue. The increased Canadian live imports trend should continue as the strong U.S. dollar and limited domestic supply will allow for continued economic incentive to import. For the Angus Report and CattleFax, I'm Ethan Oberst.
To learn more about CattleFax, your leading source for beef industry market information, visit CattleFax.com.